Welcome to askmba. Now guys, this is very important for all the students who want to attempt XAT examination. Now you can call it a trick or whatever, but then now XAT examining body is going to give you one official mock to attempt, and you can attempt this mock multiple times. Now but then there is a tricky part. Now let me go through these notifications and you can also check that online. Okay, now, and not just that, I can also tell you, and I'm also going to explain you how you can access that mock. Okay, so today from August 30th 5 p.m. onwards, okay, 5 baj chuke hain, 5 p.m. onwards till tomorrow August 31st till 5 p.m. the official mock of XAT is going to be available on your login ID. But then for that, you have to register yourself for the examination. If you have registered yourself for the examination, then and only then you can access this free mock. Okay, that's the catchy part. You can attempt this mock only and only if you have registered yourself for the examination. And then as I can read it, after completing the test, a score sheet will appear on your screen. We wish to share a few important clarification regarding this. Now guys, of course आपके screen पे आप देख सकते हो this thing. This mock test is for practice purposes only and does not constitute an actual assessment. Please understand, ये mock test है, ठीक है? It's a dummy test. It is not the real stuff. There is no database associated, so your response and scores are not being saved. तो आपका कोई score या कोई database save नहीं किया जाएगा. So based on this mock examination performance, you won't be gauged ki how good or bad you are. So do not worry about it. It's just for practice thing. Okay. Now, why this mock test is important? Why this mock test is there? You can check it, and this is the official mail received by a student, one of our student who is going to attempt the XAT examination, who registered for the XAT examination. It is going to help you to familiarize yourself, understand the test format, and understand the test format and the interface, how the interface of that examination is going to look like on the screen. Okay, wo cheez hogi, confidence boost hoga, and you can identify the areas where you lack. You can work on data, decision making, quant, verbal, whatnot, or whatever. Now the most important part, how you can access this, how you can access this mock. Again, ये चीज बहुत सिंपल है. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको लॉग इन करना है अपने XAT के डैशबोर्ड पे. गो ऑन टू द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट. ओके, click on the XAT mock test tab. It is, I'm mentioning all the mails here, the information. Select sign in to begin. No additional credentials are required. Read the instructions carefully and then check the checkbox. I'm ready to begin to proceed. Now understand this thing guys, this mock is only available for one day. So आज 5 बजे से लेके शाम के कल शाम 5 बजे तक है. 30th 5 p.m. till August 31st 5 p.m. So if you are someone who wants to attempt that examination and you have not registered yourself for the examination, register yourself for the examination, enjoy, and make sure that you make the most of this free mock. Assess yourself, get the interface idea, and definitely this thing is going to give you an edge over other candidates. And remember, this is only available for the students who have registered themselves for the XAT examination. So if you are someone who wants to attempt XAT examination, then register yourself for the examination, please do so. Make sure that you do it ASAP without fail. Thank you and stay blessed.